Hey friends, Merry Christmas Eve. Today is the 24th of December 2020 and it is now a federal holiday. Christmas Eve is a federal holiday thanks to the great President Donald J. Trump. But I'm not here to talk about that. This is the C20 and all primary metal work is done based on the missive that the owner gave me to cease operations because he's out of money. It needs a new roof. We all know that. He knows that. But I had to finish the operations, and here we go. It's rolling over because of the wind. Interesting. Kind of funny. I was going to turn it over anyways, but I let nature do it. So let's just go over the truck, the cab, and I'll tell you what. Well, I don't really need to tell you anything because if you've watched my videos, you know exactly what has happened here. And I was going to prime it today, but it's just a little bit too windy. So just capture a few moments of video on this. And the cab is now strong enough to be mounted to the frame. Because of the work I've done. And let's see here. Of course, now the vehicle itself, the cab, is going to need a lot of seam sealer in areas like here, all up in there. In here, it's going to need a lot of seam sealer, all up in there, pretty much everywhere. I've got the tools to do it, the gun to apply it properly, but again, I don't know what the deal is with the owner. I guess he's busy. He doesn't want to communicate too much, which is, you know, things happen. You know, people get busy, especially around the holidays. So I'll just wait till the new year, and then I'll try to make some phone calls and try to reach him. And I'm gonna sand that down some more right there, some of those areas, and weld those up. Those that pass my QC. Sand all that down. So I'm glad I'm looking at it. Out in the light. This area looks okay. So, and there it is. The cab is done. Now, unless the owner coughs up some more money and he says to continue, I'll get a roof and I'll put the roof on it. But we shall see. We shall see. Hard to know. This side's not perfect. I could make it perfect, but depends on what he wants to do. You know, pull this down a little bit. This side over here is perfect. So, I don't know. I probably will end up fixing this just because I'm proud. I don't want to get it. I don't want to give him something worse. Probably what I'll do is cut here, pull it down a little bit, re-weld it, and that way this line is lined up. Okay, well, that's about it. Take care, everybody. Be good. I'm out of here. Going home. Peace. Tschüss.